Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday in positional trading strategies. In this video, again, I'm going to discuss about the charting scanners and I'm going to do the back test and also what are the stock which I'm going to focus for tomorrow based on that breakout scanner for a swing trading, the strategy which I created on the charting. So based on that, we find out some stock on Godrej CP consumer product. So that we find out yesterday that I made on a last video. So my breakout is about here at around 1004 rupees. That is what my 1003.15,004 is my breakout. And after that breakout, it went up to some 12 rupees on daily time frame. It's not for an intraday. So this is what a breakout area where I find out based on the scanner which I have created. So after this particular breakout, it went up to maximum. The level is almost 1% in breakout. That was given as such a good opportunity on Godrej CP consumer product that we made some good opportunities based on the scanner. We find out and we created that scanner which is available on my paid group. The link where if you want to access the paid group links, that is what the scanners, the customized scanners, and also it is about a private scanners and not shared on my channel anywhere, and it is only available on my telegram group. So if you want to join that telegram group, the link will be provided in the description. If you wish, you can join on that. So what are the stocks for tomorrow? So based on the same scanner, and today I find out a 𝐻𝐜𝐜, GAIL, a 𝐻𝐜𝐜 which is forming on the scanner, which I find out. This is what a one more opportunity, and it's a long back consolidated, and now it is a very big bullish candle. And now I want to focus the breakout is about to the high 111.95, exactly 112. So if the stock breaks 112 tomorrow, so I should go for a buying opportunity based on the scanner which I have created, and this is what a stocks, and we can go for a breakout, and the stop loss may be around 108. That should be my stop which I can keep below, and this is what a breakout 112 is my new breakout opportunity based on the scanner. Okay, that scanner works well. And what are the stock which I'm going to focus? That is what a breakout one which I'm going to focus for tomorrow. Okay, so on the same, based on the same scanner which we have filtered out and intraday scanners too. I find out the same daily scanners which I find out today for an intraday. So how many stocks we find out for an intraday? Today I started around 9:15. After 9:15 also we are focusing. So let me go to download the backtest report, and I will show you that today's trades and how many trades which given you. This is about a daily time frame, and whatever the sheet which I download right now, it's for an intraday time frame. Let me go to check how many stocks which is given you today intraday. So I think yeah, so this much of stocks, and we can find out only quality stocks for a buying opportunity. 𝗂𝐜𝐜, ABFRL, Muthoot Finance, the stocks which is on the first 15 minutes. Let me go to check what are the mostly first 15 minutes. If you avoid, that's better. 𝗂𝐜𝐜 15 minutes time frame based on the same scanner which I used for a 15 minutes. Okay, so 𝗂𝐜𝐜, yes, you can see the 𝗂𝐜𝐜 breakout is around 1056 and it went up to 1068. So maybe a 10 rupees which is given you 𝗂𝐜𝐜, and ABFRL at the same time of 9:15, three stocks we got it, and this was a huge one. I don't want to go for a bigger stop loss. I already told you. And maybe if you are taken the trade, at the end of the day it is close to 102. So from 204, 2 rupees loss, but it is not triggered your stop loss. Don't want to go for a bigger stop losses. Okay, and the third stop at 9:15 is about IndusInd Bank. I think it is keep on going higher. So today here is the first 15 minutes, and this high is broken, and it went up to almost 10 points again, 12111, and it moves towards 12122. So more than 11 points. That is also the good intraday opportunities. After that, sorry, in 9:15, this two stop. Muthoot Finance is the 9:30. IndusInd Bank at 11 o'clock. So where it is 11 o'clock, maybe after this high, so we find out from 16 to 22. That may be our stop loss around 208. That is also working in the Bank. Muthoot Finance at 9:30. At 9:30 Muthoot Finance, maybe a stop loss trade. Initially it breaks the high 1084, that low of that particular kind of 1076, maybe a stop loss. Even though the stock which triggers your stop loss, the stock will be available on the list, it will not repay. That's why I'm just doing the back test. And JSW SBI Life at 11:15. JSW still at 11:15. It never give you the opportunity. JSW still not broken the high, and SBI Life same time frame 11:50, that is also not broken the high 94.5, 1194.5. That next candle high also be the same. Okay, not given you opportunity. Federal Bank at 11:45, Hindustan Unilever 12:45. Federal Bank is the stock here at what is the exact time? Federal Bank at 11:45. Here is the high 127, and it went up to 127.95. 1 rupee is a large size, is big. That is given you some good opportunity at 15 minutes breakout. And Hindustan Unilever at 12:50. So I hope you understand how the system works. It's a breakout trade. Hindustan Unilever 12:15. This candle here it is breaks around 659 to 659. Next within a 2670. So almost 11 point. That is also given. So maybe a quick scalping and intraday trade that is working well for based on this scanner that I am focusing for intraday opportunities. And even lot of scanners, if you have the time, so you have these stocks which is given you the opportunity, so you can go to do the back test. I don't want to take your much more time. And this scanner which is available only on private mode, so those who are a subscriber of my Telegram channel, and they will get that the paid Telegram group. So you are going to pay for one time for a yearly basis, and the charges for that paid Telegram group. So I will just open that Telegram group. You directly access it from my website. This is what my website, which link which I provided, and the course details also be available here. So advanced option strategy, and you can go to home pages and you can access my Telegram channel. So this is a group where you get an intraday alerts, and here is the group premium charting scanners paid group. So if you click that, I'm charging for just 3,000 rupees. If you are getting all the premium scanners here you can see get all premium paid scanners which I'm going to share you on my Telegram group only hereafter. And also request for a custom scanner. So if you have any conditions, you have any conditions, your custom scanners also be available. So we can create one custom scanner for you after joining the group. So whatever the conditions you have, so we can create a scanners and we will provide you that. And any new scanners, like that is what the condition, a new scanner which is available, which I created, that will be updated on that Telegram group. Okay, so group name is paid charting group, so you can access that the Telegram link. So if you want to join, so you can use the link. Also link I can provide you in the description. And also you can directly access from my website. That link will be provided at there, and you will be getting. And what are the things you are getting? My all premium scanners already 169 premium scanners which I have updated. Okay, so on that Telegram group, so you can access my scanners and you maybe copy and you can use for your own. That is what a thing. So tomorrow's stock which I can focus is 𝐻𝐻𝐿, and also 𝐻𝐻𝐿 which is triggers our advanced option strategy entry, and tomorrow's entry is about 112 on 𝐻𝐻𝐿. So maybe a good opportunity which I can go for tomorrow. And some other options you want to join, so you can join. And if you are still not subscribed my channel, just hit the subscribe button. And if you have any other questions at all, just ping me on comment box. And thank you for being with me. And stock option which we can focus, and also by using scanners and screeners, intraday opportunities also be there. So maybe one or two trades we can try to find out on an intraday basis. That will help us to make such a good trade opportunities. I hope you understood, and thanks for supporting the channel, and thank you for joining and subscribing the channel. And thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any question, just ping me in the comment box. Just hit the comment. And thank you for watching, and thank you so much. If you have any questions or any queries, you can just contact me, the number which shown on the WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.